Here we have an Ammco 3000 brake lathe. This brake lathe does drums and disc brakes. We'll go ahead and turn it on here so you can see that it operates. First thing we'll do is we'll turn on the light. And go ahead and flip the switch here. This right here is your main shaft. As you see, it turns well. And then go ahead and we'll turn the travel on this. See, it moves both directions. Okay. And then right here, we have our automatic feed that's turning this cutter. Okay. We'll go ahead and, as you see, it can turn that by hand as well. You can turn it automatic right here with your control right here. And that's your basic operation there.